Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I am a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and I want to talk about apparently a new trend that's beginning to take hold as far as keeping your mouth and your teeth healthy, and that is electronic flossing. So recently I did a video on an electronic flosser called Flaus, F-L-A-U-S. I recently purchased one called Slate, S-L-A-T-E, and I gotta tell you, I really like these electronic flossers. Why do I like them so much? Because they will do I believe, a better job, not just of cleaning, but of actually massaging your gums. Normal flossing is great, I do it, it's terrific, although I like the interproximal picks even better. But the electronic flossers massage the gums as well as clean. So this is called Slate. Now, Flaus is a rechargeable flosser. Slate uses a battery. If I can get it out. I think they make these difficult on purpose just for me. Anyway, it uses a regular AA battery. And I think it lasts a fairly long time. I've used it a number of times and it's still holding. To turn it on, you simply press here. And this is vibrating. This is much quieter than the other one. It fits between your teeth, and the vibration of it enables it to slide between the teeth easily. The floss is thinner. The other electronic flosser has a thicker floss. The thin floss is nice. However, the thin floss, maybe you can get a close-up of this, the thin floss doesn't last quite as long. Here you can see one that I've used a few times and it's already frayed. So you probably have to replace these more often than the one with the thicker floss. And even though the other floss is thicker, it seems to have no trouble going down in between the teeth. It comes with about 4 regular replacements, and then it also has separate heads for braces. So it's designed also if you have braces, which the other one I don't think has that special design. So you can buy these separately if you have braces on your teeth, and these are designed so that they will work with wires or with braces. And it also comes with a tongue scraper, which the Flaus does not come with. Price-wise, I think this is what, $79, something like that. I think the other one is $99. They're both good. I think they both will massage your gums, they both will clean. You know, I prefer actually the Flaus myself, because the floss that's in there lasts longer, it's rechargeable, it seems to be substantial, and it comes with a lot of extra heads as compared to the Slate, which has fewer extra heads. So I think an electronic flosser is a good idea. Either one of these I think will do well and help you keep your mouth healthier and cleaner and massage your gums in a way that regular flossing won't do. So you might want to consider one of these. If you're not happy with it, I'm sure you can send it back. There may be others coming out on the market, and when and if they do, and I hear about them, I'll be trying those also. So these are kind of interesting, and it's kind of fun, and they're easy to use, and I think they'll help keep you healthy. And that's really what's important, because if your mouth's not healthy, you're not healthy. Don't forget that. You can't be healthy if your mouth's not healthy. Healthy mouth, healthier body. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Comments, questions, we'd love to hear from you. At any rate, have a great day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.